Hey guys, this is Kathy from CYC, and today I want to talk to you about the upgrades, specifically from the Stealth Gen 1 and the X1 Pro Gen 2 all the way to the Gen 3 units. First thing we're going to talk about is the controller. So a lot of you know with the previous generations, the controllers wiring was basically quite a lot out there. What we've done now is we've completely made our housing to seal everything shut. So there's no more wires that's going to be pulled out. It's all a nice sealed system. The second major upgrade that we have is the torque sensor. Not only is it now ISIS spline, but the torque sensor is also fully sealed. So there's no external wires coming out, which means there's nothing really that can go wrong. With that being said, that has also allowed the new integration that we have done has allowed for a much better pedal assist feeling. The sensitivity of the new torque sensing technology is really good. We're very happy with what we have achieved there as well. The feeling that you can expect is predictable, it's very sensitive, and you also have instant engagement, which makes for a much better ride in general. Being paired with the torque sensor upgrade, we also have a very big upgrade, which is the actual controller itself. Now developed in-house by a team of engineers. There are a lot of things that you can expect that is going to make a very big difference in your ride. One of the first things that we've upgraded is the initial ramp up that was a bit weaker with the previous generations. Now it's a hell of a lot better. You can really expect the ramp up to be smooth but really powerful as well, and you really feel that torque as soon as you engage. Another thing is also the throttle. The throttle, it's instant engagement. There's no more delays, it's predictable, and it's also kicks off right from the start. Since we also now have the new controller and this new torque sensor, it makes for a much better pedal assist experience in general. It's quite fine-tuned, and we've made it like that from default, which is really awesome. But the mobile app is still there if you want to do any advanced tuning or anything like that. But just off the bat, you'll be happy with the riding experience that you get from it straight away. With that being said, we also have new display options, and previously the displays and the controllers weren't so well integrated. Now it's all integrated, and what that means for you is that you don't need the app to set anything up. Basically, if you want to go and ride without the app, it's completely fine. You can set whatever you need to. All the basic settings are right there on your display. Since they're fully integrated, whatever changes you're going to make on the display is immediately going to be registered to the controller. Now the app is still there. It's a whole new app called the CYC Ride Control app, and with that it's all the advanced settings, but we've made sure to make it a bit more user friendly, so you know what you're setting and how to set it, and basically all the advanced settings that you would have gotten from the previous apps as well. We also have checked out a bit of the waterproofing. So what we've done is we've gone to inspect all the possible holes where we've noticed water ingress with the previous motors, all from the experience and the feedback that you guys have also given us. So we've checked exactly what has been going on there, checked that we can seal it off as best as we possibly can, and even made sure that we've added some bearing covers to the majority of the bearings so that things don't rust, you can wash your bike with ease, and all that is a bit more hassle-free. One of the major things that we've improved inside the motors themselves is we've upgraded the magnets to a higher temperature as well, and we've set the NTC to be at a safe temperature threshold. So what that means is you're no longer going to have to worry about any overheating or anything like that. With the upgraded magnets and with the new design, it really is basically heat-proof. The temperature threshold is basically set, it differs slightly from the two motors, but it's set to around 100 degrees. Now that's way lower than what the rotors can withstand by themselves. So you're not going to have to worry about any of that, and go and enjoy your ride with ease. And last but not least, a very big upgrade that we've also done is we've made the installation easier. So what that means is a plug-and-play system. Where previously you had the bottom bracket module completely on its own, we have now integrated the drive side BB cup with the torque sensing and freewheel module. So that means you're literally just going to slot the motor in, install the left side BB cup, and you're basically good to go. Another update that you guys can expect is reduced noise. Now we've heard your plea, everybody always asks us about it, and yes, our gearboxes are getting more and more refined. as we go on with the generations. That does mean reduced noise for the X1 Pro as well as the Stealth. So you can enjoy a much more quieter ride, which is still a lot more powerful. Okay guys, that just about covers it for the upgrades from the Gen 2 to the Gen 3 technology from CYC. We hope you guys check it out for yourself, so be sure to go visit our websites, and yeah, we'll see you there.